How to transfer money from Clearpay to PayPal app. Today we will talk about if you can transfer your money from your Clearpay account to your PayPal. Well, first of all, we will talk about what actually Clearpay is. Clearpay allows you to buy products and pay for those products in installment, which means you can buy the product and instant and you can actually pay for those products in installments of weekly or monthly. However, if we talk about if you want to transfer the money from your Clearpay to your PayPal, well, unfortunately, you cannot do that because the funds that you can see in your Clearpay are actually from your bank accounts and you cannot actually transfer those funds into any other account. However, if you want to transfer the funds to your PayPal, you have to open up your bank account which is connected to your Clearpay and transfer the money to your PayPal right from your bank account. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.